Duol mar NCIC omedo duondgi e kwedo mager gino manotimore ne rawera Albert Ojwang' kowacho ni ji duto te nigi thuolo mar ndiko kendo wacho gigo magiparo e mbui, to ka gikalo tong' to nego we chik mondo kaw kore. NCIC kadhialo odiechieng' mar kedo gi weche manyayo athuwe ahinya to kind jotelo, olando jiwo chenro magi mag nono weche jotelo e rombe ahinya to mago seche magiwuoyo gi dhogi magiwacho thothne ni tiyo gi ayany e weche mag athuwe.
So that we can on board wale wenye probably they are infecting the country as well. So
government, this is our country, this is our community, it is our responsibility.
House rules, tutumie lugha gani, Kizungu ama Kiswahili?
Ambao inaangalia sana zile changamoto
kwa baya. Sawa, watatuambia leo pengine sasa natujua tofauti.
In a few. So maybe I'll call you Yugi.
These politicians are taking us back to where we've come from. Yeah, the last election cycle, it was about issues. Group A and Group B, they all say we'll do this for our country and this was for our country. It was not along ethnic lines. But now we are seeing people taking us back to where we've come from. Mobilization along ethnic. It's just a few of them. It's always a handful who want to push the boundaries, who want to break the law. We've summoned them. One did not honor their summons, and soon enough they will be handled within the context of the law. The action, if you don't honor our summons, we are just like the High Court. Our arrest warrants are issued. It's simple as that. You'll be arrested and taken to court.